In the world of strong cocktails, everybody heard about Long Island, Adios, Tokyo iced tea, stuff like that. But have you heard about the Irish trash can? No? Well, I'm here to show you how to make it. Welcome back, guys. My name is Johnny. This is Simple Drinks. And the cocktail we're making today is, as I mentioned before, the Irish trash can. Well, it's an easy to make cocktail. It has a lot of ingredients, as you can see, but it's nothing too complicated. So if you want to get wasted and you like mixing your alcohol with energy drinks, this one's perfect for you. So without further ado, let's make an Irish trash can. We're going to start with vodka, 30 mils, 1 ounce. Do have in mind that there are recipes that call for half an ounce of everything, and there are recipes that call for 1 ounce of everything. So I'm going to make the one with the 1 ounce of everything because my middle name is Danger. So the next ingredient is gin, 30 mils, 1 ounce, followed by rum, light one, Plantation, one of my favorite light rums, 1 ounce of triple sec, one ounce of blue Curacao, and the only ingredient that is not 1 ounce, it's half an ounce, peach schnapps, half an ounce, 15 mils. Now we need ice. Now do mind, you need to leave a little bit space for the can, and I'll show you why just in a minute. Give it a little stir. The trash can part. Just drop the can in, and that's it. See, it's beautiful. Add a straw, and that's it, ladies and gents, the Irish trash can. Cheers. I mean, it's good. What else can I say? It's good. Yeah, it's basically Red Bull. The taste is Red Bull, but the cocktail, it's delicious. It's refreshing. It's strong. One of these, I think it's enough. 2 or 3, and you can call an ambulance. Or you can't, but hopefully your friend will. So it's good. It's refreshing. It has a crazy amount of alcohol, but if you want to drink this, be careful and take it easy. You know that mixing energy drinks and alcohol is not good for the health, but just be moderate in everything and everything will be okay. That's it, ladies and gents. One more easy recipe, the Irish trash can. Beautiful looking, tasty, very strong. Be careful with this one. A lot of ingredients, very strong cocktail, a lot of alcohol, energy drink. No garnish needed. Your can is your garnish. Try to make it. Try it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. It means a lot. It helps the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.